In front of me is VIVO Y01 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to find an app called Recorder and tap on it. Then click Allow in the pop-up and tap on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on this left button with a flag on it over here, and if you wish to end it and save it, click on the square button. As you can see, my recording is over here. If you wish to rename it, you need to hold it, click on the rename icon in the middle at the bottom, type in wherever you wish to and choose OK. If you wish to play it, just click on it. If you wish to delete it, you need to go back, hold it one more time, but this time choose remove icon over here and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!